Today I'm going to share with you my daily task, showing you, what I do in a day with me and my chitlins.
Bruh.
Before we get into this video, do me the biggest favor and click on that subscribe button below this video, because it does help your girl channel to grow here on YouTube. All right, y'all, this room is a hot mess right now. Okay, got shit everywhere. I'm gonna clean up this bathroom. First, I'm gonna wash these sheets. I got my little threatening stick right here, you know what I'm saying? Keep these little chitlins in check. But let's head over to the washing machine and get these sheets all cleaned up. There. Whilst the sheets are washing, I'll be washing these dishes up. And my goal is to hurry up and wash the dishes before it's time to feed the baby, because I have to physically feed the baby, because I have to breastfeed. So of course I didn't win, he won. Once I'm done cleaning, then I'm going to get into my work. Okay, work, anything that brings in money is work. Okay, so I'm gonna get into my work, which is braiding my wigs. So clean house, then work. Well, work then work. Let me know in the comment section below if you prefer breastfeeding or baby bottle. I prefer breastfeeding because it's more healthier. It's more healthier. It saves money. It's convenient. Saves a little bit. Well, it doesn't really save time, because I think that the time it takes for me to feed him, it would take to clean the bottles. So yeah, scratch that out. But it is a lot more convenient. Less bottles. No bottles. Unless you go to daycare or something like that. I am done. I'm gonna let my mommy clean them dishes and the rest of this house. Y'all, let's go clean.
You're pulling out my hair.
We gotta finish feeding Miss Alani so she can take her nap.
Mommy?
So you can take your nap.
I gotta put my nap.
And then
Don't hit the camera.
Yeah.
Alright.
Nap.
Alright, here. Get the rest. Get all of that.
Okay.
Pause the TV.
Yeah.
Get your spelling words. Alani, let's go. Look at this. Y'all got all of this. As a matter of fact, just take him, go in the room with him, and I'm coming. Let me just lay your butt down. Lay down. Get your blanket. Look at this. Cover up, lay down. Now, go. You gonna take a nap? Yes, you are. Lay down. You want me to get the belt? So you better go to sleep. Don't you move, okay? If you move, you get a pow-pow, okay? Say yes. Say yes.
No.
Bruh.
Okay. Go ahead and move.
Yes.
Oh, that's what I thought. Good night.
Night.
Take him out.
He's probably scared.
Put him on the bed. Let me get him. All right, go get your book bag. Come right back over here. All right, Adonis.
Yeah, go get it. Go get it. His hands are dirty, Mommy.
Okay.
The paper's not.
All right, y'all. So the house is, well, the main parts of the house is clean. I'm done cleaning for I am done cleaning for today. Hold on, let me fix this wig, child.
Oh, wait, with the.
Okay, so I'm done cleaning for today. Let me show you. The bathroom looks brand new, child. Here's the bathroom. Floor is clean. Everything clean, 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 clean. Clean. No more dirt. Oh, Jesus. Donna's toy on the bed. It's clean. So, since I have everything cleaned up and it's about nap time, Alani is taking her nap.
Bruh.
And I have Ayana. I have Ayana writing her spelling words for her test on Friday. She's writing her words, each word 5 times. And then I'm going to test her when she's done. If this girl don't stop calling me, Alani, what do you want? If I come back out here again, you're not going to like it. You need to lay down and go to sleep. Lay down and go to sleep. Okay. Okay, so she is done with her. She's done with her words, writing them 5 times. Now I'm going to test her.
No boy. Not this.
Okay. Wait, you can't see the words. Okay, I have the words on my phone. The words are on my phone, so let's see what you know, girl. Okay, spell crack.
C-R-A-C-K.
These words are easy. Spell net.
N-E-T.
Plant.
P-L-A P-L-A-N-T.
Okay. So looks like you're gonna get another 10 out of 10 again.
100%.
Yeah, 100%. I'm sorry.
I love doing the spelling test and I practice. I like to show my teachers.
Yeah, you have to study in order to do good. No study, no good. Whilst the baby sleep, I am gonna get some braids done. Hopefully I can get a good amount done. I really want to hurry up and finish this wig. And I hope it turns out good. Can't wait to show you guys the end result of what she's gonna look like, honey.